Ahoy, mateys! Welcome aboard the SS Imagination. Today we're setting sail with Captain Kiki, the bravest little parrot on the 7 seas. But there's trouble in paradise, because Kiki's favourite song has gone missing. Captain Kiki, with her bright red feathers and a patched-up eye made of a shiny black button, of course, loved to sing sea shanties. Her favourite was the Ballad of the Salty Parrot, a jolly tune that always made her squawk with glee. One sunny morning, Kiki went to sing her favourite song, but something felt off. The melody, usually clear as a bell, was completely gone. Panic fluttered in Kiki's tiny chest. Where could her song have gone? Determined to find it, Kiki gathered her trusty first mate, Mr. Whiskers, the grumpy but loyal ship's cat. "Mr. Whiskers," she squawked, her voice tight with worry, "my song is missing. We need to find it." Mr. Whiskers stretched, his long tail swishing dismissively. "Sounds like a problem for your beak, Captain." But Kiki wouldn't give up. She set sail on the CS Imagination, a cardboard box adorned with colourful sails made of socks. They first journeyed to Parrot Island, a place filled with squawking pirates and buried treasure made of shiny. "Have any of you seen my song?" Kiki asked a group of parrots, playing poker with seashells. "Songs don't have eyes, Captain," one parrot scoffed, puffing out his chest. Disheartened, Kiki continued her search. They explored Mermaid Lagoon, where the mermaids only hummed quiet lullabies, and even ventured into the spooky foggy caves, where bats squeaked but sang no tunes. Just as Kiki was about to give up, a gentle voice filled the air. It was an old, wise sea turtle named Shelley. "Lost something precious, have we?" Kiki explained her predicament. Shelley smiled. "Sometimes, little captain," she said, "songs hide when we forget to listen with our hearts." Suddenly, Kiki understood. She had been so busy searching, she hadn't stopped to appreciate the beautiful sounds around her. The crashing waves, the chirping birds, the wind whistling through the rigging. Kiki closed her eyes and listened. There it was, faint but clear, the melody of the Ballad of the Salty Parrot filling her heart with joy. Kiki learned a valuable lesson that day. Songs, like happiness, can be found when we open our hearts and truly listen. So next time you're feeling down, close your eyes and listen to the beautiful sounds around you. You might just rediscover your own happy song. Now, batten down the hatches, maters, because on our next adventure. But that's a story for another day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high seas fun.